Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So today I'm trying a new color. I've been wanting to do something different. So I decided to try this spice red color from Cream of Nature. And so that is what we are going to do today. As you can see, my hair has grown out so much since I cut it. And it's just time to switch it up and try something different. I haven't colored my hair in a while. So that's what we're going to do today. These are all the contents that were in the box. So you have your activator or your developer, your color, and then they also had a conditioning packet in there. And these were the instructions. I believe it said to, once you apply, to leave it on for about 20-25 minutes. And so I just kind of watched it. But here you see me applying my base. This is what I use when I'm putting any sort of chemical on my hair to protect my skin, my ears, and it also keeps that color from bleeding onto my skin as well. And so I'm just making sure that I'm putting that all the way around here. I'll be right back with you guys once I'm done. So I just purchased this. This is a leave-in conditioner. I don't know how to pronounce the brand. I think it's Difeel. But I've been using all of their products. I've been using their shampoos, conditioners, their hair oil. And I believe that it has contributed to making my hair grow, as well as the other clients that I've been using it on as well. But that's what I like using on my hair. But this leave-in is something new, so this is my first time actually trying it. I saw it in the beauty supply store today, and I said, hey, let's give it a try. So I wanted to put that on my hair just to kind of protect it a little bit, since I'm putting this chemical on here and I haven't done color in such a long time. And then I also have a relaxer as well. So it's been about, I would say maybe about 3 to 4 weeks since I put a relaxer in my hair. So I felt it was safe enough to go ahead and put color on top. And usually these box colors usually only have like a 10, maybe 20 developer. So I thought it was pretty safe enough to go ahead and try some color on my hair. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so I've mixed the color and I've shaken it up really well. And now I'm just applying it from root to end. And if I would have been thinking, I would have applied it to my ends first, then to my roots. That's what I had planned to do, but I guess I was just in a hurry to try to get it on to see this new change. But you'll just see me going through my, putting it on my roots first and then working it to my ends. And I'll be right back with you guys. Oh, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel to see more content. My content is mostly about beauty. I also enjoy cooking. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to add those videos to this channel or keep it separate. But I definitely appreciate your support. Support me just by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also, you can check out my website at www.allthingswithtip.com. I have a little bit more information about myself. I'm trying to blog, and it's a lot when I have to work, but I'm doing my best, guys. And I also have just a few apparel items on there as well. So check out the website. It's www.allthingswithtip.com. So as you can see here, I have saturated most of the top part, and now I'm just going through the back part. It can be a little difficult trying to do your own hair and trying to add product and style the back part. But I'm just doing the best that I can here, and I'm going to go ahead and finish up, and I'll let you guys continue watching, and I'll be right back. And as you can see, I've gone all the way through, and now I'm just combing that product all the way out to the ends, just to make sure that every piece of hair is saturated. And if I needed to go back over it with a little bit of color, I did so, just to ensure that all of the hair was saturated. All right, so since that is all worked through now, I'm just checking the edges. I'm going to comb all of that together, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my plastic cap on my head and just allow that to process. I checked it after 10 minutes and then after 15. As you can see now, you can see the color. These are the shampoos that I'm using. I started out with the Neutralizing shampoo, and this is the Difeel shampoo that I was telling you guys about. And this is my conditioner. Those are the Syntonics are the products that I use for my chemicals, or like one of my relaxers as well. And so this is how it's looking now. I can already see that my hair is lifting and changing to the color. And so I actually went ahead and shampooed off of camera, and I started with my conditioner first, and then went in with my my neutralizing and my moisturizing shampoo. And now I'm using the Difeel conditioner, and I'm going to just allow that to set on my hair. I just want to make sure that I get my hair moisturized. Like I said, I have a relaxer. Even though it's been a few weeks, I haven't had color in quite some time. And I just want to make sure that my hair does not break after this. So I've rinsed the conditioner out. Now I'm just adding that leave-in back to my hair. I'm kind of loving this leave-in. I'm going to put it in the description if I can find it for you guys. This is Nairobi. Of course, we got to put some Nairobi to get that hair molded. And I found this at the beauty supply store. Normally they sell the bottles that are a little bit larger, but I've been able to find these little travel size bottles that are like $2.99. And this is the Paul Mitchell. I actually love this. I've been using it for years. If I told you how long, you probably would not believe me. But I've used this when my hair was cut very short. I've used it as if it was longer, if I was doing like a twist set, like all types of styles. And it just holds. Like, it has so much moisture in it, but it's not too much to be greasy. It's just the right amount of moisture that you need. And it also keeps the foam like very well. So I love to mix this, just add like a little bit of Nairobi and then mix this in with it. And this just helps my hair to stay so well. Even if you're allowing your hair to grow out and you are at the stage where you're growing your hair out and you're still trying to mold it and you have a lot of new growth and you need a relaxer, this is the mousse that you need. Like, it's actually like a pomade mousse, but this is like what you would need to keep your hair molded. I like to use strips, but even if you don't have strips, like, it's very good. I'll try to also put the link in the description if I can find this as well for you guys. So just smoothing it out here, decided to go ahead and speed it up for you guys. And I'm always trying to do my little swoops. I get them a little bit, but I can't get it like the professionals. But I just do just the edges. I wish I could do the whole head. If I could do the whole head, then that's how I would wear my hair all the time. But it's kind of hard to do it on your own hair. But I'm able to get the edges just so I can kind of mold my style the way that I want it. So I'm going to let you guys continue watching, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I believe it might actually be 2 days after. So I don't normally sit under the dryer. I just allow my hair to air dry overnight. This allows me to be able to have sleep without having to sleep cute. And so That's what I did. And so I go in with my blow dry really quick, and then I add my moisture back in. I go in with my Biosilk as well as my Paul Mitchell Pomade. I'm sorry, my Paul Mitchell, not my pomade, but my Paul Mitchell dry wax. And I'll put all of this stuff in the description. So these products work very well when I am curling my hair, especially when I'm wanting certain type of curls. It just helps the iron to glide very easily, and gives me the curl that I need. And it's not too greasy. It's not greasy at all, really, but it pretty much holds. I don't have to add any moisture to my hair until I get ready to shampoo again. So I like working with these products together. So I'm going to go ahead and start curling my hair. I'm just doing some tight curls so that my hair can last. And when I do these tight curls, it always turns into so many styles. So throughout, the time until it's time to shampoo again. And so that works best for me, and I like it. I actually get compliments on it as well. And so I'm going to let you guys continue to watch, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, just wanted to jump in really quick before I'm done. Don't know if you guys noticed, but I am trying to curl the curls just like different ways instead of having them all go the same way. And that's how I get this style. And then I'm just kind of pressing the curler in. So this is how my hair looked. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you could see it on the last screenshot. And this is it here. It was so cute with my glasses on. I put my little edge control on it, and when I got out in the sun, you could really see the color. So I am just loving this style, and I got my son to take some video of me here, so I'm gonna let you guys see. And while you're watching, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you got something out of it. And if you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, support me for free. Go ahead and like this video if you stayed this long. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time, guys. Love you. Stay blessed and peace.